What's up, the new channel? I'm Gat Michael.
I'm Gat Hans.
And I'm Gat Derek.
And we are GAT! We're down 2 members right now kasi umuwi sila. We're missing Charles and Ethan.
Yes.
But we're so thankful that we get to do this interview for you guys. So thank you so much po.
Overwhelming po. Sobrang daming tao. And this is a fun experience for us na sobrang saya.
First festival po namin, so medyo kinabahan po kami kanina. Pero ang rewarding ng feeling nung after we finished and seeing how sweaty we are, how tired we were, like we were trying to catch our breath. So super thankful namin na nandito po kami, tas nag-perform kami, and the crowd enjoyed and knew our song, so we're super thankful po.
We had a fantastic night tonight. Sobra. We're still continuing the fantastic night today.
Yes.
Tonight. Grabe, sobra sayo namin kasi
Grabe.
makita namin yung sobrang daming tao. Parang nakakatakot pero natapos namin yung gabi.
Yes.
Grabe talaga, sobra.
So, unang-una, you guys can stream our pre-debut single, Huwag Ka Nang Humirit. It's out on all streaming platforms. We also have a performance video on our YouTube channel, GAT. You guys can also stream our single from the Mucha Na Section E soundtrack, Daling Dale. Tas pwede yung gawin yung Daling Daling dance challenge. Maraming salamat sa lahat nagawa ng dance challenge. We see all your videos and it means the world to us now. You guys are doing our choreo. And yeah, you guys can follow us on GatPH Official on all social medias, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and then if you look through the following, you guys can see our individual Instagrams as well.